Hello guys! Welcome back to Denson channel. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads.
Take your way. Alright, here we go. Go ahead and throw me a knife on 3. 1, 2, 2.5. What are you doing? Give it up for Hisa, you did a good job. Don't leave yet though, stand right there on the chewing gum. Now before I do this last trick, I just want to quickly introduce myself. My name is John, I'm from Jersey. I travel around the country doing magic and juggling. This is how I make my living. Yeah, that was my mom's reaction too. This is what's known as a street show. That means I wasn't paid to be here. Only people who pay me are you, and trust me, I was really upset too. Now, if you don't have a donation, if you can't pay for the show today, that's fine. I'm glad you came, I'm glad you had a good time. But if you do have money, I'd like some. Tips go in that bucket right there. If I have to keep me alive, I think my show is worth at least $5. Issa, can you face the audience? Can you tell the audience my show is worth at least $5? Speak the truth. But if you give me a 10, I'll be your friend. If you give me a 20, I'm coming home with Issa. I'm not getting the $20 is $20. Oh, you're 17? Well, that's legal in Kentucky. Great, it's okay. If you're gay, it's okay. If you're bi, you're just damn greedy. Alright, San Francisco, a place we could live like a queen. Okay, here we go. Alright, here we go. Watch this, guys. Whoa. Alright, everyone put your hands up like this. Hands up, hands up. The man with the knives is asking nicely. Put your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Even the people from the balcony, hands up. Ready, and clap. Clap. Keep it up. Nice, rhythmic clap. I'm gonna go to jail, I can feel it. If I'm bleeding on the ground, I'm lying on the ground, bleeding, just go up the pain. Quick, grab it before they notice. Alright, wait a minute. Y'all want to see a cool bonus trick up here? Say yeah. Yeah. Y'all want to see some fire? Say yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Issa, grab me the torch. Yep, the orange thing right there. Yep. Alright, stand right there. Alright, let's do this. Hold on a second. All right. What the hell are you doing? All right. Hey kids, you want to hear a joke? Issa, you want to hear a joke? Okay. A guy walks into a bar. Ouch. You'll get that on the way home, Issa. By the way, if you don't have any cash, that's okay. Do you know why? Because there's an ATM right over there. Now, if you don't have any cash, I'm on Venmo. You can just, oh, I forgot to bring out my QR code. My handle is at John Strange Magic. It's Jon Strange Magic if you want to tip me through Venmo. All right, here we go. And can you do me a favor? We're not allowed to have anyone on the stage while I do fire. Can you just step down the steps for a second? And then at the end, we'll take a bow together if I'm still alive, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, I need a lighter. Hey kids, do you have a lighter? Whoa! Some people think this fire is not real. I'm going to throw it to the nearest kid. start here. Hold on a second. I'm literally about to fall right now. I'm sorry, guys. Let me just reset here. That looks good. All right. I'll try to go as long as I can. Here we go. There's nothing to see here. Just keep going. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Make some noise. Quick, come back on stage, Issa. Take my hand. Give it up for Issa. That was my show. This is my hat. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have magical times here in San Francisco. That's the end of my show. First one's the lucky one. Thank you so much for stopping. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy your stay here in San Francisco. Thanks for the prize. Hey, thanks for that. Thanks for the prize.
Thank you for watching. Please click like and leave your comments below. If you are not yet subscribed, please do not forget to tap the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated with my future uploads. See you on my next video.